Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a water cooler that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start with a 2x2 round plate with cross hole for the base. Set down a pair of 1x2 bricks with 2 studs on one side and a 1x2 radiator grill right in the front. Next, a set of 1x1 by 1 2/3 bricks with 2 vertical studs. We're going to place these behind the radiator grill where the studs are on these sides. Now take a set of 2x2 plates. Let's set these on top of one another, and on the top place a 2x2 round flat tile with a center hole, and inside this hole take a stud. Put the stud upside down where the stud is inside the tile, so just press that down firm. Now on the bottom, place a 1x2 plate, and in these 2 remaining areas, a set of these 1x1 inverted studs with a stick. I'm not sure what these are called. We're going to take 2 of those and we're going to set these in right here to where they are perpendicular to the 1x2 plate. Now with the 1x2 plate, I'm going to set it on top of the 1x1 bricks with studs. And to finish off the sides, let's apply some 2x4 flat tiles. Make sure everything is smooshed down good. For our water jug, take a set of 2x2 transparent light blue round bricks and a shoe glider plate, 2x2 round. Place that right on the bottom portion, and we're going to flip this upside down, and we're going to set this right here on the bottom side of the stud. And of course we have Jay the Surfer. He needs a drink, and as you can see, the mug does clear it. He can sit inside. Yeah, Jay needs a fresh drink of water after he's had a long day of surfing.